Very good morning everyone, and we are so happy to say that the believe what you guys have on us for towards your counseling, and keep texting me and asking me the many questions and saying that share the video, talk about it, talk more about the counseling. No wonder, the endless questions are, but I'm so happy about your trust, beliefs and all. So I will discuss what is all gonna be happen in this first week of August, and how the counseling process will move forward from here. The next step I will talk right now. I'll not talk about the entire process till the admission part, which we discuss, so by the August and then September starting, they are planning to start your college as well, but I will discuss only about this current scenario. I keep telling the people who are contacting me and keep telling you, the one thing you have to do, the first is you have to make your document PDF, make ready, take help. The Ignite team is already helping you for that, so make sure you register right away for our program where the team will help you for the counseling document verification. That is, the campaigning is also going on, so pre-counseling will do your all document verification, which you have to submit. So this week, the first step, you have to submit your document. Second step, what next you have to do it, they will cross check, verify, and they will send it to you. So again, you have to re-upload your document in case if required. If not, then it's not required. So that is what the things, which is the first thing NIFT is going to do in this particular week, and that's how the plan is to start this particular part for the student to that's just see, check and verify it meanwhile before starting your the main counseling when you get the admission. So this is the part you have to do it. Moving forward towards it, I want to add and quote here is, in case you have a question in a mind for the couple of questions which you guys have, the last date of 38th of the original submission of the document, and I have in a mind, what next in case if I have not completed my exam, my original questions are not there, your mark sheets are not there, result copies are not there, whatever questions are, if you are sending me message and here and there, better than that, please write here in the comment box so that the team can answer you rather than sending to me personally, dear, because we have a whole team, though they are answering your questions here in the chat box. So if you will write here, you will get the better answer and you will get the quick answer here. Well, so moving forward to the next things of the counseling, do not get panic in case if you are having any problem towards any of these things about your exams, about the NIOS exam, because many of the students are panic towards the NIOS exam also. So it's not yet finished, but I will want to endure rather than talking you more about next step, what next about the counseling is. Rather than that, I want you to focus on your document part. Make sure it's ready. Once it's ready, submit about it. Based on your rank, you will get your department Cs and all. Make sure you watch the video which we make about the NIFT, what is the career in BDAS, MDAS, MFM, MFTech. So your college, your course and the career, all these things are there. Watch that complete video. That is gonna be really very helpful for you to know about the entire NIFT structure, and write the comment here if you liked it. Let me know if you are interested in more such video, that is there also. Okay guys, so I'm ending here this information, but if you have any query, a small doubt also towards your this step of the counseling, make sure immediately contact me. I'm available there for you always, and I will answer your all call. So thank you so much guys to stay connected and believing in us. So that's it from my side. Thank you so much everyone.